Do you want to make $100 a day without a degree? In 2025, it's not only possible, it's happening right now, and today I'm showing you 5 real side hustles that actually pay. No scams, no fake guru talk, just the practical side of smart people who are using these methods even while working part-time or from home. And the best part, you can start most of these with just a laptop or your phone. Stick around. I promise by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to earn your first $100 online this week. Let's go. First, remote customer support jobs. Companies like Amazon, Wayfair, and even small startups are hiring part-time support agents. No college degree required. You'll be answering emails, live chats, or phone calls, all from home. They pay $15 to $25 per hour. Tools needed: laptop, Wi-Fi, good English. Where to start? Remote.co. Indeed, we work remotely if you work just 4 hours a day. That's easily $60 to $100. This is great for students, stay-at-home parents, or anyone looking to build steady income fast. Second, selling digital products, sell planners, templates, or guides. People are earning hundreds daily on Etsy and Gumroad by selling Notion templates, resume designs, fitness journals, and budget planners. And guess what? You only make them once and sell them forever. They pay $5 to $20 per sale. Bestsellers, budget trackers, AI prompt templates, student planners, tools to use: Canva, Notion, ChatGPT. Sell 10 digital files a day at $10 each. Boom, you're at $100. Passive income unlocked. Third, freelance writing. If you can write clearly in English, there's big money in blogs, emails, and website content. Businesses are desperate for good writers, especially in finance, tech, or health. They pay $30 to $100 per article. Where to start? Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn, AI Boost. Use ChatGPT to draft and then personalize. With just 1 to 2 articles per day, you're easily making $100. It's real and it works. Fourth, flipping stuff. Buy cheap, sell higher. Go to thrift shops, yard sales, or Facebook Marketplace. Look for items like old iPhones, game consoles, or even furniture. Profit per item $20 to $100 plus. Where to sell? eBay, Vinted, Depop. Pro tip: use the eBay sold listings filter to check market value before buying. Flip just 2 items a day and you're over the $100 mark. It's simple hustle economics. Fifth, online tutoring. You don't need to be a certified teacher if you're good at English, math, coding, or even music. Someone's willing to pay you to teach. They pay $20 to $50 per hour. Where to start? Preply, Superprof, Wyzant, even hobbies count. Teach chess, piano, or Photoshop. Just 2 tutoring sessions a day can make you $100 or more. It's high demand, low competition. If you market yourself right, you don't need to do all 5. Just pick one and go all in. That's the difference between dreamers and earners. Bonus tip: combine 2 hustles. Write content during the week, flip items on weekends. That's how you build a $3,000 to $5,000 per month side income fast. If you got value from this video, please hit like, smash subscribe, and turn on that bell so you don't miss my next money-making breakdown. This is just the start of your financial freedom journey, and I'm here to guide you all the way. Comment below which hustle you'll start with, and I'll reply personally.